Welcome to Pramit's Toy World.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. But where do the toys go? Yeah, actually I have magic powers that I can remove anything from my space. So let's start with the first thing. Up top DIY puzzle sharpener. And if you love this video, please smash the subscribe button like wah wah, and also the like button like wah wah, and make them cry like little babies. Yeah, and so this is a sharpener. Sorry, but for the damaged box, as for it got damaged while home transition to bring it home and all. So I actually built this. So it kind of looks like this. One sec. Here. So we are gonna build one right now. So let's see which one we are building. Oh, a token. Let's build it. So we open it, and it comes with a bag full of chips. Stuff, and this thing comes with stickers so that you can stick it. So let me open it, and also I have to open this first so that I actually don't know how to make this thing. It comes with instructions. That's the main part. And sorry for not making videos since a long time. Yeah, and it comes with stickers. So let's open this baggie with all of our mal masala. I like to say that. Mal masala means mal means stuff, and masala means a type of spice in India. Yeah, why is it not opening? No, other way. Yeah, it is. Let's take out our parts. सारा माल मसाला निकल जा. चल निकल गया. Now let's start building it. Okay, so let me see the first step. Okay, the first step is to take one of this block and take one of this thing and attach it like here or here or here or here, wherever you want. So I'm going to attach it here. It's kind of glossy and new as I bought it straight right. Oh my god. Okay, so we need this big buddy. So we first have to connect like let's do this. Then after that we put this on this. Like this. So it like stands. No, it's not here, it's like here. Yeah, it's here. Then after that, we actually have to take one of this piece and like put it on this corner. Yeah, after that, we have a good build so far. You have to take one of this and put it over here. Oh shoot. Yeah. Now after that, one sec. It's kind of opening all the time. Two of these blocks, cute little box, and put them on this. Why? You know what? I'm putting that at the end. I'm putting at that. Like it frustrates me. Yeah, then two of these cute eyeballs and like put the two eyeballs. It's kind of cute. Seriously. After that, we'll have to put this. Then after that, we have to like put one of this piece here. Okay, it's looking very cute so far. And after that, like, where do we have to put this piece? Oh, there. We have to put these pieces like together. Then we have to put the final piece like this. And our token is ready, but we have to stickerize it. I'm not very like a pro in it, so I'll ask the cameraman, man or woman, to do it. Okay, so then after that we have, oh, it's a good one, a keychain. Oh my god, literally it has a star, ball like this cute thing, and evil eye and big heart. That's what I do to you guys. See how beautiful it looks, literally. Now the next thing is a fidget spinner. But it's not an ordinary fidget spinner. It's a outrageous fidget spinner. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And it's also very great in erasing. Like, but I never want to do such things to a good thing. After that, we have amazing. A magic trick! A magic trick, yay! Finally, yes. Okay, we opened the magic trick. Now let me show you magic. Is there anything, guys? No. And if I tell you that when I open this again, a eraser appears, then you guys really have to smash the like and subscribe button. 1, 2. Thank you. So now that was the great magic trick. So let's begin with the next thing. Okay, let's see. Eraser clay. Yes. It's a Dome's Amaris kneaded eraser. So let me open it. It's gonna be messy, but let's open it anyways. Oh, the texture. Oh my god, the texture and the ASMR. I'm gonna take a bit out so that. Oh, what is that stretch? Oh my god, it's actually amazing. Back in so that it's really like messy to do that on the bed. So don't do that at home. Then we have an Oreo. Well, it's not a normal Oreo. It's an Oreo eraser. Oh my god. Here, let me show you guys. It comes with 2 erasers. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. It comes with 2 erasers, which are very useful for erasing. But who will do such things for such beautiful erasers? So you know what I did? And its box is also very cute. So it's staying with me forever, like this. Yeah, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys loved it. So, tata!